Today I'm doing a property tour of the Aertson Hotel, which is located in Nashville, Tennessee. The distance from the international airport and the Kimpton Aertson Hotel is actually very close. Best case scenario, when there's little to no traffic, you can expect to arrive within 15 minutes. This hotel is within walking distance of the Vanderbilt University. However, if you are more interested in the nightlife, it is about a 6-minute drive to the Honky Tonk Highway. If you're walking, it's about a half an hour walk. This is an IHG hotel, so you do get those perks if you are a rewards member. Here's the main entrance to the hotel. I'm just going to forewarn you, those doors are very heavy. Once you get past the first set of doors, you have a sitting area on one side. And on the other side, you have a neon sign that says you belong here. Once you enter the hotel, if you go straight past this fireplace on the right, you'll find the front desk. It's a very cozy, medium-sized lobby. And if you look ahead, you'll see the entrance to Henley's, which is the on-property restaurant. I like the way that the lobby is set up. It's very visually interesting. One of the nice things about traveling during the holidays is that you get all the extra festive decorations. And now for the room tour. Right off the bat, this room feels extremely spacious. You have marble floors, you have your bathrobes that are hanging on the right-hand side. It's very posh and very bright. I love that these modern hotels have these floor-to-ceiling length mirrors. A great energy-saving feature of this room is that there is a key card that is located right near the front door. Once you remove that card that says Shine On, the room's power is turned off. Next up, we have the bathroom, which has these giant sliding doors. This is a fully accessible suite. So you have hand railings, there's a little bit more space in the bathroom. While the design is very clean, it's still different and very visually interesting. By no means is it boring. In the vanity, we have a blow dryer, extra toilet paper, and some towels. Let's take a look at the shower. So we pull the curtain back and you can see that there's more handrails all throughout the bath. The shower head can either sit up top or you can rest it down here. Here's a close-up shot of your bath amenities. Next, we're going to exit the bathroom and head towards the armoire. Alright, so let's have a look inside. It's a little bit different setup, but you do get an ironing board, one of those things that fold out to hold your luggage. They even include a yoga mat, which is very different. I think this is the first time I've ever seen that at a hotel. An extra pillow, a place to hang things, and your iron. Also a full-length mirror on the left door. Now we're going to head over to the main room. This room features a king-size bed. The lighting is very warm in this part, very cozy. On the right-hand side, you'll see that there is a seating area. In the actual nightstand, you have a built-in USB port and outlets. Right across from the bed, you have your TV. There's a little cabinet. If you open up the first door, there's your mini fridge. And then if you open up the drawers, you have your safe. And the last two drawers are just extra storage space. Adjacent to the TV, you have this table and wooden chair. So on the table, you get your standard glasses, you have the ice container. Also, how many times have you bought wine to bring back to your room only to realize you don't have a wine opener? So very, very considerate that they would actually give you one in the room. And I saved the best for last, which is the balcony. This is truly the reason why I booked this room, because this was one of the only room categories that included a balcony. And here we come outside. You can see that there's some runners. You can see the city lights. I just love balconies, and this one's actually decent size for what it is. Just come out here in the morning, catch the sunrise, catch the sunset. Especially when the weather is nice. Even if I have a nice hotel room, I don't want to stay in the room. I want to be outside and kind of experience it. So they also give you 2 chairs and a table. So definitely not my best photo, but just to show you how I used the space. I ended up picking up wine from Trader Joe's, and then I got takeaway from Martin's Barbecue Joint, which is one of my favorite barbecue places in Nashville. Alright, so now we're going to head over to the pool area and check out some of the other amenities of the hotel. So we're here on the second floor. The second floor has the conference rooms, the pool, the fitness center. It also features this really sweet wraparound balcony. So if your room doesn't have a balcony, I guess you can come out here and just hang out, see the city at night, maybe take some photos. You know the deal. Next up, we're going to make our way to the pool. So we're going to make our way up these stairs. And it is key card access only. So my biggest disclaimer is that it is December. It is off season. I can't believe that this pool area is still open. So take everything that you see with a grain of salt and just know that during the warmer months, everything is just better put together, if that makes sense. Basically, like every hotel pool, there are no lifeguards on duty. There's a lot of seating options for sure. Everything's kind of just put away on the side for now. But you can kind of get an idea of what this place is like. Next, we're going to check out the pool bar. Kind of a nice little space. Have a nice open seating area. We got a huge sectional couch over here for a big group. So that's going to wrap up the pool area. Good times and tan lines. Nice. So once we exit and we go down these steps, on the left-hand side you'll find the restrooms plus a place where you can fill your water bottles. There are all these fun buttons you have to press to exit places. So now we've arrived at the fitness center. It is card key access only. The gym is fully accessible, which is great. This is a really nice gym for a hotel, to be honest. You got a smart yoga mat. You got some free weights, cardio machines, a Pilates ball, big mirrors, some kettlebells. And lastly, here's an outdoor shot of Henley's. I'm going to flash up some information about this restaurant. So this will basically wrap up this tour of the Aertson Hotel here in Nashville, Tennessee. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I hope to see you in my next video. Have a good one, guys.